Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this CASECUBE QHD webcam with ring light. That's the thing here. I have it already plugged in and you can see it in real life. It's definitely working, but let's start from the beginning. So here's the camera. It's very flexible. It has a really good mount here. By the way, it has a lot of good things and also a lot of very bad things. So if you want to know everything about this camera, stay tuned till the very end of this review. It's really important. But let's start with a few good things. You can see this bracket here lasts for really large monitors or so, and also for thin ones. So this is how it should be in 2021. Really good. And this is freely rotatable 360 degrees. It also comes even with a tripod, really nice, good, flexible tripod here, standard tripod mount. We can use this here or on a monitor or on the ground itself, like this thing here. You can see we can use it. That's really cool here. That's not bad that we can use it directly from here, and not only flat on the table, but we can even lift it up here a little bit without tripod or using the monitor. By standard it comes with this USB-A plug, but we get also this adapter USB-A to USB-C. If you only have a USB-C port on your PC, that's also very helpful. By the way, that's the box where it comes with. Yeah, decent box, nothing really special, but it also comes with this very long 3.5 millimeter cable. I'm going to show you that later. By the way, the cable here is also pretty long. I mean, it's not extreme. Yeah, I'm not going to measure that. I just hold it in front of me, and I would say it's about 5 feet long or so if you're interested, but I would say it should fit for most of the installation. So let's plug it in, and usually what happens on the first time, you have to wait for a little bit, maybe 10, 15, 20 seconds or so, depending on the speed of your PC, and then it will show us a message that it has been installing it. So what we have here is this light. We can touch here as soon as we have it plugged in. That's when we touch once, it goes into the first level of the cold light, second level, third level, and then with a touch it goes to the lowest brightness of this warm light here. I hope you can see that. It's a little bit difficult to see on the camera, but it's a really nice warm light. Second level, third level, and off. And we have also this camera protection here, but it's a little bit difficult to use. I mean, from the left side to the right side to close, that's really easy. From this side, we usually slide directly with the finger directly over the camera lens, which is definitely not good. I mean, it has some little bit of a grip. You can try to use it without touching the camera. Yeah, with a little bit of experience it should work, but it's definitely not the best thing here. So I've cleaned it again. It should be nice and clear. I think that's the microphone, two microphone openings here in the back. We have also these two speakers in the back. That's really interesting, and I'm going to show you how this works. So let's put it on the side. Let's go to the camera app from Microsoft. By the way, if you're interested into the user manual, I think they don't have a website, so it can be hard to download the user manual from anywhere, and it's just 2 pages, so I think it could be worth to show you that here. I think that's it, and it also shows some contact information, but definitely not a website as far as I've been able to see. So what we see here is that we have not a bad picture, I mean, regarding the colors and regarding the white balance and so on, but it's not sharp. It's definitely not sharp. I zoom in here a little bit. On this distance I go a little bit in further away. That's a little bit more than 1 foot. So here I'm back on the normal camera angle. I mean, here what I see on my camera here, it doesn't look too bad, but when we are going closer, it's definitely really bad quality when we go too close, and especially when we go closer it's even only worse. So it doesn't have an autofocus, definitely not. It has a fixed focus. It's not bad, but it's focused on a very far distance. You can see when I go and point to something which is further away, you can see that the quality is actually not bad. I hope you can see that. Here it's really sharp. I mean, this is pretty far away, I mean 3 feet or something like that, and it's really sharp. Also when I go to the side, to this door, you can see it's sharp. Also on the other side, maybe here a little bit. Yeah, this thing is really sharp as it gets. I mean, we are talking about UHD, and we should expect quite some sharpness, and I would say we get quite some sharpness, but not on the short distance. By the way, when we go to the settings, you can see the resolution. It's confirming, I think, here down with the photo resolution 3.7 megapixel, 2560 by 1440. We can see this also for the video. Here's the video resolution, possible video resolutions. You can see 1440p, that's the highest. I mean, more than 1080p, which is definitely not bad. Yeah, I think yeah, okay, let's go there, but it doesn't change anything. The problem is not the 1080p or 1440p, it's just that the focus is not good on the short range. I can even turn off the light so you can see that a little bit better what it does. Medium, high, cold white, then low, warm, medium warm, and high warm, and off. That's it. Then something really bad. When we start to record, I start recording here, and you can't see anything weird. I mean, it's reacting. You can see the picture here looks really good, and you would think, okay, I can stop this here, 10 seconds video, let's check this. This should look actually pretty good, I mean, apart from the focus problem. But let's go into the detailed video. So here's the recording, and you can see how this looks. It's absolutely terrible. Yeah, I hear, yeah, I have even here the microphone test. I do this a little bit later, and but you can see it never really recovers. It doesn't go into really steady video. I have no clue what it is. I first thought, yeah, it's a problem with the Microsoft video recording tool, Microsoft video thing. But the strange thing is, yeah, here it's showing a good quality, and no matter where we are, I've even tried to go into 1080p, doesn't matter, it's always this really crazy thing. And if you think it's just this computer, it's me causing some problems, no, I have tested this with this webcam here, which I'm usually using on a different PC, and this one has absolutely no problem. When I plug this in, I can record it and I can play it, and there's absolutely no problem. So the problem is only with this camera, so I would be very careful before I would buy this thing here. But what I wanted to show you here is also this speaker, and that's the thing here. We can plug this in. That's normal 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter plug connection, which you have like for a normal speaker, and it gives some updates regarding what it's doing. Yeah, let's wait till it's finished. I think it's finished now. Now we play this video again, and I've made this microphone test. Should be somewhere here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio test. 1, 2, 3, yeah, that's definitely coming from here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you can hear that. Yeah, that's now coming from these speakers and not from the laptop anymore. So for me that was a little bit unclear how this works at the beginning. So this is actually just the speaker. This cable here, this plug here is just for the speaker, nothing else. So you have a normal camera which is connected through the USB. Also the microphone is working normally with the USB, absolutely no problem. The speaker is just an add-on gadget here, which I think, yeah, it's not needed. It makes just the camera a little bit larger. I mean, we have usually built-in speakers everywhere, but maybe if you need that for a desktop PC, I don't know. Yeah, so regarding the microphone, definitely one of the better things from this camera. And I'm going to play one recording which I've made previously, so you can listen to that now. CASECUBE microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. CASECUBE microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope you have been able to hear that, and I've been also listening to that with my good quality earphones, and I think it's a really good quality. It's even catching up some lower sound, like natural voice. I would say it's not bad. I would say for such a camera, it's definitely a rather good microphone, but some of the things are really not good. It's not an autofocus. It focuses only on rather wide distance. You have to sit really far away to have a good quality. Well, what we also have, I can show you that maybe here with this box. You can see with regarding 90 degrees angle, I'm still far away from the box here, and I'm already below a 90 degrees angle. You can see that here, so it's definitely not 90 degrees angle, it's below, it's maybe 70 degrees angle, I don't know, but definitely not 90 degrees angle which they claim. So a lot of things which are not working. Also this problem with this recording, I never had any such problems with any kind of camera with this app here or with this computer, so I would be very, very careful buying this camera, but it's up to you to decide what you want to do. I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing anyway down into the description, so you can check it out and load it right from there if you like it, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.